Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Earlier this fall we were playing around with different camera angles and we tried this one out. Kind of a point of view, so to speak, following the wrecker through the woods and the trails. Posted a very similar short clip on a different social media platform. Some of the responses came back on how much it's like the game Snow Runner made by Spin Tires. So I decided to put this clip together for you to see what you think. Now, I have spent some time playing the game Snow Runner, and you know what? As I was putting this clip together, they're right. It does have quite a similarity. And it got me to thinking. The whole BSF Recovery Team heading out to rescue broken, stuck, lost vehicles is very similar to some of the missions on the game. So, tell me what you think. You think BSF Recovery Team is kind of a real live version of the Snow Runner or Spin Tires game? Shall we kick it into a higher gear and see what that looks like? This is 2 times normal speed. me know what you think. Is BSF Recovery Team a real-life version of Spin Tires or Snow Runner? And tell me what you think of the camera angle. Do you like it at normal speed, or is it better at 2 times speed? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I do read them.
Still there?
Oh yeah.
Alright, I didn't buck it off.
We also spent some time trying to perfect our drone flying skills. So hopefully next summer we'll have some really unique drone footage of the wrecker in action for you. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And don't forget, we've been going on recovery missions for over 10 years now. There's lots of videos on our channel to watch. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. One thing about the drone camera is no audio. We might have to get a little better at our editing skills so we can dub over sound from another camera.